Hello, my name is Jack DeVry Riordan. I am a graduate student at the University of Texas at Austin in the Spanish and Portuguese department. I also work for AVAnnotate. I'm going to be hosting during the summer of 2026 at Digital Humanities Summer Institute the course titled AVAnnotate Open Source Applications for Audiovisual Digital Exhibits and Editions. I'm going to read the description because I think it's pretty good, and I'm just going to build off of it to kind of provide a better understanding of what this workshop will kind of look like. The course introduces participants to AVAnnotate, which is an open source DH tool for creating annotated audiovisual exhibits. Through hands-on experiences with sample media, participants will learn how to set up projects, create annotations for accessibility and research, and explore case studies in teaching and scholarship. By the end of the week, hopefully, I'm optimistic, participants will have built and presented their own projects, gaining practical skills for integrating audiovisual materials into digital research and pedagogy. And if you're asking yourself, this is something that I'm unfamiliar with or something that I haven't really dipped my feet in, that is good, actually, and that's actually very exciting. The prerequisites is that you don't need any technical ability before it. Of course, if you have some familiarity with DH tools and you are interested in audiovisual collections, this would be helpful, obviously, but all levels of experience are welcome. And I want to say to some degree is that, at least for myself, because I think it'll kind of help us a little bit understand, is that I was hired 14 months ago with one of the only purposes being is that I didn't understand or know anything about DH tools. Which is kind of a little bit of a silly thing, but in reality, I think it's actually quite awesome because I come from a very traditional humanities-based background of literature and culture and then transitioned into film. It was from that I kind of slowly learned, slowly but surely, kind of the world of digital humanities and how to engage with these tools. This idea that we can kind of create a bridge between these new and emerging powerful digital tools and technologies with the classic old school, which I still love, academic humanities-based work. And so one of the things that I'm hoping to do with this workshop is facilitate and help people create really cool projects with AV materials that they find fascinating. And so next, I'm going to show a little quick, I'm going to show my AVAnnotate project called Auteurism, just to kind of show a little bit what it looks like. And I thought it was always kind of important, is that you will be able to create a project similar to this one with an intro page, with images and these hyperlinks. And you'll see this is that you're kind of able to create and craft these really compelling, cool projects where you're able to grab traditional ideas of humanities-based scholarship where you write essays and integrate quotes and you do your citing. But one of the things that kind of makes it really, really cool is that you're actually be able to create these pages that incorporate clips and segments of audiovisual materials, which is awesome. And so this project, which I call Auteurism, I kind of dive into the history about the term Auteurism, and then I actually categorize and I pick Stanley Kubrick, Tomás Gutiérrez Alea, who's a Cuban filmmaker, Wes Anderson, and a few more. And I kind of explore how their role within the term is created. So as you see, this is kind of what an AVAnnotate project will look like. And here I wanted to talk about the endings within Stanley Kubrick films. And I was able to upload this clip from Dr. Strangelove towards the end. And as you'll see, it's you're able to really incorporate within, let me just do the one about Wes Anderson, for example, who went to UT Austin. You're able to, through this DH tool, kind of exhibit and curate through images and videos on these really cool filmmakers and whatever topic it is. People who've used AVAnnotate have used it for a mixture of spoken poetry, Lord music videos, Cuban cinema, Auteurism. Just all of this is to say is that I hope that you consider taking my class. I'm really excited. I'm really passionate about it. And I hope I can help you understand more about how AVAnnotate works and how to kind of create this craft this cool video. And yeah, so consider taking my class. Thank you so much.